Hey guys, time for a 2-week update. So let's get started. All right, Serenity, you're the new starlet now. Say hi to everybody on YouTube. Let's get this out of the way so we can move on with our video. Welcome back, everybody. It's been 2 weeks since my last video, which, by the way, has had over 1,000 viewerships in just 1 week. Plus, I also gained a considerable amount of new subscribers. So that I'm really pleased about and surprised about. So anyway, continue to like and share, and let's move on. Okay, so the big thing that I accomplished this week has been painting this track work. So I went ahead and first and it took a couple days to do this, and several cans of spray paint, is I went ahead and used aerosol cans, and these are the colors that I ended up going with. This one's from Tractor Supply. It's their camouflage brown. It really has a nice kind of almost a little bit of a hint of rust color to it. This I would use first, just spraying at an angle, hitting the rail, and then after I hit both sides of that, then I went over it with this paint. This is Rust-Oleum Camouflage Brown. It's more of a darker brown and a great color for on the tie. So I just basically go over the top, going in a downward motion, spray painting all of the ties. And then after that, I went back and then hand brushed several different colors and individually painted most of the ties. And really makes the track work pop. It takes a while, especially with a layout this size. And the paints I used, I ended up using Valero military colors, about 3 different colors, and did a little mixing, dirtied them up, so to speak, and diluted them with water, and just used a tiny paintbrush, and that's what I did. So I basically, in 2 days, managed to get all of the track work painted. There's just a couple spots I have yet to get. So that's been the big change. Another thing is I tested the turntable. It does work. I got it used on eBay and never actually hooked it up, but I went ahead and did that a couple days ago, and it works fine. And let's see what else. One aspect of painting the track using aerosols is that it basically just stinks up the entire house. So I just made sure I got it done and over with as fast as possible. Took 2 days to do all of it, and it's over. Other than some minor touch-up, and it's pretty much finished. But it's worth it. It really cleans it up, gives it a nice look, and you have to really basically get this done before I can start on the scenery. Now, after I start with the scenery, there's going to probably be some more touch-up I'll need to do. But I'm really happy with it. The color turned out perfect. The detail of the ties looks phenomenal. Took 2 days also to go around and paint all of the ties. It gets a little tedious after a while, but you just got to do it in segments and take a break. Not much else going on. Just got a couple pieces of equipment. Went to a train show last weekend. Really didn't pick up much of anything other than one freight car. So that's pretty much it. 2 weeks from now, I'll do another video and hopefully get some more stuff done. Don't worry, before this video is over, I did film some run-bys, so be sure to watch till the end. All right, thank you guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you in 2 weeks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to share and like again. And if you have any questions or comments, please post them below. I try to get to them almost as soon as I see them. So I enjoy getting questions and comments. And if you have any suggestions, feel free to share those as well. All right, take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye.